Welcome to Dogepick, ladies and gentlemen. It's a supposedly reputable platform from the standpoint of someone who has used some of its sister platforms and have, actually withdrawn from all of them, right? Talking about bnbpick, talking about Tronpick, talking about litepick, right? They have all paid me again and again, so I want to believe that Dogepick, coming from the same company, will be just as credible. So this is the registration page. This is where you find yourself after you click on the link. I'll leave for you in the pinned comment and also on the Telegram page. So here you choose a username, you provide your email address, you choose a password, you confirm password, you solve a captcha, and you click on sign up. So after a successful registration, you'll be automatically logged into your dashboard and the link will be sent to your provided email address. So you might want to go verify your email and you'll receive free 10 spins and a double Faucet rewards for 24 hours. So here on your dashboard, it says, thank you for registering. Please verify your email to get 10 free spins and double your Faucet rewards. So the link has not been sent yet. You need to press a button to get the link. So you click on the menu here, you click on settings. Here you can see security email, right? You click on verify email and you receive something like this. So you can either click on verify email or you click and hold. Then you copy this URL. So you bring the URL and you load it. But before then, let's first claim the one faucet that we have before we move on to the banners. So what you're earning depends on your level, right? So I'm on stone and I'm earning 0.00125 Doge every hour. Now let's verify email. So email has been verified, so go home. Now we have received 10 free spins. You can see it here, banners faucet. So you're currently on the early faucet, so all you need to do is click on banners faucet here and your rewards will be doubled, right? 2 times rewards, 24 hours. So you just tap here. You don't need any captcha. You can see the rewards is coming double of what's there. So you have 10 spins, so you finish them up. Alright, out of spins, right? So at the end of the 10 spins, I have 0.02625 Doge, right? And the different ways to earn here include games, contests, surveys, and affiliates, right? So let's click on the affiliate. You'll be getting 50% of your referrals basic earnings and 0.4% of wager bet, 5% of completed surveys, right? Okay, so it says I have this here to claim. That means I've been here and I've invited 1 or 2 persons. Oh, really? How come no users found? Username, register time. So I remember registering for this platform, but I don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't verify my email, so they canceled my registration or something, because I checked and I couldn't just find my account. That's why I registered a whole new account. So let me claim this. That has been added to my balance. That's just one of the ways to earn. Let's check the games. So this is the games. You will need to wager an amount and play. It's more like gambling. You have the dice, slot, gems, mines, video poker, baccarat, high and low, roulette, wheel of fortune, plinko, limbo, ultimate dice, keno, and so on and so forth. So if you're a gamer, if you're the game type, this is good for you. I do not know anything about gambling, so I'll let you do your research so you understand what you're signing up for. So for the surveys, they have different, survey platforms. So you might want to check. So you get surveys according to some demographic status. So if you don't get surveys, it's because you're not the target participants for those surveys. That's why. So let's check their withdrawal threshold. So you need a minimum of 10 Doge to be able to withdraw, and there's going to be a gas fee of 0.5 Doge, right? So the withdrawal network is DOGEcoin network. You get a wallet address, you paste here, you enter the amount, you solve a captcha, you click on withdraw. A verification email will be sent to your provided email address. You go check your inbox, verify, and in a certain amount of time, you'll receive your Doge on your wallet. There you have it, guys. That's Dogepick, Dogecoin faucet in summary, right? So you can jump on it, register. You don't need any deposit here. It's absolutely free of charge, and start mining Dogecoin. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.